Well, it's snowing and the wind's blowing pretty good. It's just about filled in my tractor tire marks out there. It's almost filled them in. We're supposed to get about 12 inches. It's been snowing all day, and it's not supposed to stop until tomorrow morning at 7. So it's going to be interesting to see. Okay, it snowed so deep this morning when I opened the door, it was blocked by snow. This trailer sits about 2 foot off the ground, and snow is all the way to the bottom of my doorway. That's a table. It's almost completely covered. Well, it's still dark out here, but I've got to try to get the driveway plowed so I can go to work. Can't really see much out here, but it's pretty deep. Okay, I've got the farm all started. So I'm gonna go try to plow this snow. That right there is my bush hog. It's completely covered. Let me see what I can get done this morning. Well, it's 4 o'clock. It's snowing. Been snowing all day. The wind blew that big pile of snow. Just about got those sawhorses covered. But this was supposed to stop this morning, but it has snowed all day.